kubecha mevo totana yese organizer mo national polyglot Urhobo. Edenu na mi me isenu na rewa. Isenu na kona Urhobo lopo okoka mara wotuvo. Ikwori pekimlere irine wacha eje gwamle. Woda forofo agogo no we. Wa forofo oyina je gwa we jere nyobume. Now, let me translate it to English. Uruemu attitude or character. Womana? Uruemu rokwo one's attitude or one's character or one's way of life. Okokangma lawo tuvo is like a cloth ama lawo tuvo that has been put out to be sun-dried. Water forofo. If you washed it clean, agogona or where the joy is yours. Whatever that comes out of it is also your because those people that are passing by to the market, they will see it as you put it out to be sun-dried. Those that are coming back from the farm, they will see it as you put it out to be sun-dried. So, what is this? This is one of the philosophical statements or proverbs that our parents used to grow us while we are growing up. When you're doing something, instead of them to shout and shout and shout, they will say, "Omo me okoro, omo me otiti beruwe, uwe murokwo." Okokamara wotuvo ikwori deki chamle irine gwacha ejikawa mlejiri woda fora manafo agokono wo wala forofo oya jigwa wonde mome back mavi. When an elder tells you that, you know you have to think deep and connect the dots. What exactly is going amiss in my behavior? Now, you now think about what you're doing, assuming my way of life is actually a cloth that has been put out there to be sun-dried. How will people react to it? Will they call me a dirty person? Will they say, "Oh, this person is clean"? Who wants to be tagged a dirty fellow? Everyone wants to be tagged clean. So if you think that attitude you are having were to be a cloth and it has been put out there to be sun-dried, you know that that cloth will not be attractive to the eyes. What do? You wash that attitude for a manner for Uruemu well and stand on a bofu. Let it quality one pleasure. I womle o tao yoyoma o takeweke diatane o mamode o yowinefe. This is another one again. O mamode o yowinefe, that a good name is better than riches. Omnana, tell them kwenu na yone of me. Okay, cock your fat. Wo you go away if you subscribe button na. Watch the video na. Kikwole wo vuge jobi. Tible go jobi dede. Kwa jobi le gare na jobi. Wado. No idea. What do you